Hain pa. Hain pa. Hi ha, hi. Okay, how about those things that is low? Low, ada o boss, hain. Okay, where else? Okay, hain pa. Okay, hain pa. Very good, great job.
Karitan
Great job.
Bibi Bon.
Okay, weights of things. So when you say weight of things, may sinising nga heavy. Ano't heavy? Mabugat. Mabugat. Light nga ni. Light, like this one. Diba? Diri mabugat. Which is heavy? Hind heavy. Okay, hind light. Okay, very good.
Karitan Bibi Bon.
Okay, sige. Okay. Sige. Circle ko no, it's heavy things. So can you identify those heavy things? Here. Which is heavy? An elephant or a mouse?
Elephant.
Okay, how about a cotton or a rock?
Rock.
This one, a feather or a hollow block?
Hello back.
A bicycle or a pencil?
Bye.
Okay, very good. So these things which are not encircled are mga lat irawait, mga light.
Light.
Okay? How about here? So draw a box kana around each thing that is light. Sige. Hain din an aparador or book, hain din iton an light. Hain mas magaan. Very good. How about here? A paper or a ref? Okay, how about this one? Dumbbell or candy? Light. Hain din it mas magaan. Okay, how about here? A telephone or a table? Okay, very good, ha? Basta light nga ni, magaan niya, ha? Bonch, sige na kayo, ma-exam na ka mo.